Conor McGregor is the next Ronda Rousey. I think it's a brilliant idea to have a $100 sandwich because it takes the sting off the increased ticket prices. On a psychological basis with Daniel Craig, I think he has a dislike for his children or one of them, and he doesn't want to give them any money. How dare you, Houston Astros? How dare you insult the intelligence of rational sports fans by acting offended? How dare you, Bill Belichick? How dare you, Brittany Matthews? You are single-handedly doing something that almost seemed impossible. Make Patrick Mahomes less likable. How dare you have the nerve, the audacity, the unmitigated gall? I have a unique perspective because I was there for every day of The Last Dance. For those three,
literally,
I was there every day. I was in the middle of everything that happened.
You watched every game.
Yeah, I was at every practice. I worked at NBC as the sports anchor from 1995 to 1998.
What people don't know, Tom Zenner was the guy with the white poofy afro.
No,
so low-key doesn't want to tell who he really is.
No,
Tom, tell us.
Every single second of The Last Dance, Rodman's parties. We hosted a show with Dennis Rodman every Sunday night. We could do a whole show on me just giving you Rodman stories. Now, Scotty's brand is exactly like it was back then. It's bitterness, and it all stems from money. He hasn't evolved into a second act, right? So everybody else is an analyst, is an executive, is just a personality, an owner of a team, a coach, Steve Kerr. Everybody is somebody. He's still sitting in that rocking chair whining about the old days. Welcome to VTPost.com, the go-to news site for busy people like you. You get the election news, business, politics, sports, entertainment, lifestyle. We'll get you caught up on what's going on, entertain you with some snappy headlines, and then you get going on the rest of your day. Make sure you check us out every single day and follow us on social, VTPost.com. There is no doubt this is going to convert some people. A free donut? Hell yeah. It is unbelievable how out of shape this country is. You get reminded of it every now and then. Go to Costco. Walk around. You'll see how out of shape this country is. So I do believe that the Krispy Kreme incentive will work for them. It's a brilliant move because you go in there, how can you just get one? You leave with a dozen. Andre Ellington lost more dreadlocks today than he had rushing yards. Are those extensions or is that real hair? It has to be extensions. And the defender was walking off like he's going to put it on eBay later tonight or something, right?